Again, about to cruise around the streets. 2016. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and shift this into gear. Got this into drive, and I am just gonna go. All right, I'm just gonna get out of here and I'm gonna go cruising around the streets. Pulled out, rush hour. Should turn on the music, but you won't be able to hear me. I'm just gonna cruise on the street so you guys can see how I roll. All right, I'm gonna make a right-hand turn right here. First, I'm coming to a stop to see how well this car brakes. Brakes pretty well. Engine turns off, and I'm gonna go ahead and make a right. Look at that pickup. City streets. One thing that I notice about this vehicle right away is that you feel a lot of bumps in the road. You are not going to ride this without feeling the bumps in the road, you know, which is kind of surprising. I was hoping for it to be like a smooth type of riding, kind of what you get in a sedan, but unfortunately I don't get that in this vehicle right here, which is okay. You know, it's just okay. You can't have your hamburger and eat it too. Okay, so it is what it is. So I'm just gonna cruise down the street, getting a lot of green lights. Don't mean to like speed or anything, but hey, when life gives you green lights, you I don't know what the analogy is, but when life gives you green lights, you tend to I don't know, I'll come up with something. But in the meantime, I'm just gonna cruise on down the streets and the mean streets and see what's crack-a-lacking. Look at the vehicle, the lights just turned on. Maybe I'm in a dim situation right now or something, but whatever. The lights turned on. Wonder if I can do cruise control in the city. That'd be interesting, right? Cruise control, like I'd have to keep on turning it on and off because traffic, I guess. I don't know. But I'm just cruising around this street right here, and then, you know, end the test drive. Try to see what's going on over here. Everyone's getting out of work. Everyone's yawning and stuff. Getting ready to go home. Eat that hamburger. But yeah, that's a test drive. You know, it's a pretty cool car. Corning's really good. Feel a lot of the bumps on the road, which is okay. You know, it is what it is. You can't have your hamburger and eat it too. Let me know what you think. If you've test driven the Chevy Cruze, this is 2016. Let me know what your experience was, because my experience with it, I mean, it's relative. I mean, it's a cool car. You know, it's small, compact, nothing to brag about, but it's pretty cool. Let me know. All right, I'm signing off.